So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Tuesday, the 3rd of April. Now, let's just have a look at where prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously, we were in this somewhat consolidative range here on the US dollar CAD. What we did see was the bullish buy side momentum coming to the market from this in around this 128.60. So it appear to be finding some support around this 128.60. So it is becoming a minor level here on the chart. We did find a bullish buy side momentum from this 128.60, breaking above the 129, and we did see the progression to the upside all the way up towards that very next major level, marked out in red, of the 129.44. From this 129.44, we did see several sell side momentum coming to the market, brief recovery, further sell side momentum breaking below this 129. So we'll see whether we do progress back down towards that 128.60, where we do have a minor level. But beyond the 128.60, the very next major level that we are looking at is a move down towards that 128.39, which previously acted as support on several occasions more recently. Now we'll see if we can hold this 128.39. If, however, we do break down from this 128.39, we're then looking for progressions down towards the 127.78 and a break beyond which you're looking for the 27.56 to come into focus. Now, if we are to post possibly a higher low, or we do find support in around at 28.60, find support in around 28.60, or we do post a higher low from where we are at present above the 200 period moving average. If we do find support here at 200 period average and we do break above this 129, we're then looking for progression towards that 129.44. Successful break and hold from which we're then looking for prices to progress towards that 130 level here on the US dollar CAD. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how price is developing here on the US dollar CAD. Get skin on here correction, as we can see after having this strong progressive move to the upside on the US dollar CAD. Posted our lows, a higher low, strong move to the upside, posted another higher low, strong move towards that 131. Had a very strong bearish candle. Let's just clear that up a little bit here. After having posted this very strong bearish candle, we've gone into a bit of a consolidative range here on the US dollar CAD as the market waits for its the next move, the very next direction for it to progress. So we are still operating in shadow of this very bearish candle. So despite this having a strong trend to the upside, we do have to be aware that while this candle remains in place and it is not invalidated, there remains a possibility of seeing further retracement before we progress to the upside. Now, overall, macro, we've got our lows, we've got a higher low, so there is still a possibility of retracing, posting a higher low, and seeing the progression to the upside beyond that 131 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.